Yeah, I just got the wire. It was 2 bolts and a wire. Okay. I was finally able to take it off. They said something about it might be from Canada or something.
Canada?
I've never seen anything like this before.
No, it's South Laredo, Texas. He came over the border and shit. That's why we got in
Mexico?
Shit. Yeah.
Oh, Mexico. So right now, I'm sitting here waiting, playing the waiting game. Gotta wait for them to, Ace Hardware is the shipper that I'm at right now, if you haven't been able to tell. So I'm waiting for them to give me a door, and I'm about to unload. Yes, hello?
Back up to door 50.
Door 50?
Yeah, 50.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
All right, you too.
Safe travel.
Yeah. Alright, so looks like this is like a garage type of deal. It's kind of dark too, so I'm trying to make sure that backing up clear. Back straight up. It's kind of dark, so I wanted to come back here, make sure that I'm backing straight up. Excuse me, cause this is double bolted and wired, so do y'all have to
You need a bolt cutter?
I need it's 2 bolts. This is the first time I even seen this before. 2 bolts and a wire, so.
Cut it with that.
All right. Cut this. They must have something really expensive here, because I can't even. They had 2 bolts on this side and this side, and then they have the wire. So this shit is crazy. I've never seen this. Keep going at it. Okay, I got it. I got it, you guys, finally. So, let me go get my gloves. Super, yeah.
We're gonna need you to pull out. We gotta totally inspect you before you back in the door.
Oh, okay, you guys do inspection?
Yep.
All right. Yeah, I just got the double bolt in the wire off.
Okay. You have this. So the seal is on there?
Yeah, they gave me a little tool to take it off. Yeah, I just got the wire. It was 2 bolts and a wire. Okay. I was finally able to take it off. They said something about it might be from Canada or something.
Canada?
I've never seen anything like this before.
No, it's South Laredo, Texas. He came over the border and shit. That's why we got in
Mexico?
Shit. Yeah.
Oh, Mexico. Oh, he's coming.
Is that good?
So you need me to?
Yeah, you just want to pull forward a little
All
bit.
right.
Yeah, pull it right out of the building, so you're gonna have to open your doors anyway.
Yeah.
Throw it away.
We finally got it open. Must be really expensive load. These guys are waiting on it. Alright, yeah, so it looks like I backed up pretty well, even though it's kind of dark. So it's good to go. Give them a chance to get through it, go through it. Yeah. So that's that. That was the first time I ever had that. So this is Ace Hardware. They got like a garage that you back up into. Yeah, so we're here. All right, y'all, so it looks like they gave us a load that is one out of the country. So this one was coming from Mexico. That's why there's 2 bolts and a wire on it. So, yeah, so, and then they also want me to drop it and then come back for it, wait in the lobby and come back for it after. So I'm gonna do that, go use the restroom and come back. It's a lot. Hopefully they get somebody from the draft. That's happening.
Probably trade.
Yeah.
So one copy's for you,
Yeah,
and then the
yeah.
other one will go for the receivers.
All right, appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you. So yeah, looks like, just looking through this is a $60,000 load. That's why it was sealed. And I knew it had to be expensive. So they've got various tools on here. Fiberglass handles, wood handles, steel handles, drain spades, sledgehammers, shovels, scoops, rakes, wood handles. So this looks like a lot of different things for like gardening. It's like gardening tools. Look, $60,000 load here from Trooper. It must be a Mexican. They're a Mexican company. Some of this is in Spanish. Exportación. Factura exportación. You know. And yeah, it says Mexico. Yeah, it's definitely Mexico. Looks like they're done unloading. Just gotta give them a BOL and I'll be out of here. Just wait for them to come over here. It was partly in Spanish. I need the seal number. Do you have, because I gave you the bolts. Is there a way for you to, oh yeah, I could just check that, the seal number. And then this is like in Spanish, so I can't even tell if it's, I think I need the bolt.
Green and red, right?
Yeah, one of them. Just need one of them. Let me see if, yeah, this is it right here. It's a seal. It's 2 seals. Actually, yeah, it's actually 2 seals. Take a picture of it. All right, y'all, so give you guys an update. They're done. So all I have to do now is just hook back up, and then I'm getting up out of here.